there's maybe one small thing that you're like, that was useful, that was practical. You have not spoken here today.
2,
3. Brilliant, very nice, good work. Well done, Laura. Nice to Up at the ceiling, did you guys see that? If you did, they're likely to be a more visual learner. So 1 second, so what's something you've already achieved? Their value came up to be helpful. Questions out to me as well, I love it. It happens a lot in Europe, but in Asia it tends to be very quiet. Stress, the areas of weakness. Why do we not flow and follow things? That thing that you quite enjoy doing at work, right? It gives you a bit of energy, you feel satisfied after you've done it. Like Jordan Peterson does a lot of these assessments, and he says you shouldn't take this as But there is a dark side to our strengths as well. And you can replace the lead, just get stuck in the weeds because you've got so much knowledge, right? You want to impart it.
There's a possibility if you're not good at saying no.
But if you know what your allergy is likely to be, you can plan against it a little bit better. What is that one thing that you want to